This morning was moody, cold, and cloudy, but I was so lucky to see a beaver and a muskrat nearby. The beaver was actually playing with the muskrat, but unfortunately I couldn't capture it. My photos of the beaver weren't great due to the low light conditions, but I was still so happy to witness that. I'm sure I'll get a great image of the beaver soon. In the afternoon, the weather was complete opposite of the morning. The sky opened up and it was a bluebird day with sunshine. I then saw a male and female common merganser. Usually in this pond, it's mainly filled with mallards and Canadian geese, so it was a nice little treat to see a different species of duck. I got this image of the female's saw-like teeth. It's kind of creepy looking, but it's perfectly designed for mergansers that primarily eat fish. I also really love the female's cinnamon looking head. Sometimes their hair, like the hooded ones, spike right up and they look like rock stars. My plan this year is to photograph a wood duck. They are absolutely stunning. I also really hope to get an eagle in flight, definitely a beaver. I would absolutely love to take a photo of an owl. Definitely let me know what you would like to photograph this year, and I really hope you get out and explore soon.